Hi everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a Beebeecraft project share, and these are the latest items I received from them. And oh my goodness, these are so cute. So anyways, let me go ahead and share what I received or what I ended up using this time. So these, as you guys can see, look at how sparkling these are. These cute beads, oh my goodness, they are so sparkling. When I received them in this little bag right here, and when they're in this bag you can't really see how gorgeous they are. Once you take them out of the bag, this is what they look like. Aren't these so adorable? Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I used these. I also received these cute bows. Look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness, they are so beautiful, you guys. OMG. Anyways, I also used these key charms. Aren't they cute? Oh my goodness. So the bows, there's about 100 in the bag, and I believe on the keys there's about 30. So let's go ahead and let me show you. Oh, I also used their jump rings. These are the jump rings I received, and there's gold, there's silver, there is a kind of like an antique kind of looking jump ring. Um, this is more of a dark jump ring. This is more of a copper antique, and this is a sterling silver looking one. This is a gold one. Oh, there you go. And that is it. And I don't know if I showed you this one. And those are so nice. Anyway, so I ended up using this, and I also ended up using some of the Beebeecraft other products from them. I used the jump rings, I used the beads right here, and I also used some of this wiring. And I will link everything down on the description below, so you guys could go over and check the items out if you're interested in them. I also have a coupon code, so if you purchase anything over $40, you get $5 off. Shipping, if you have anything or you order anything over $25, you usually get free shipping. So awesome deals right there. I will link Beebeecraft down on the description below. Also, they have an affiliate program. If you're interested in doing receiving basically products from Beebeecraft, you have over 100 YouTube subscribers and do YouTube videos. Just get in contact with them and let them know you're interested, and they will let you know what steps to take. I will link that down on the description below, as well as with the website. So let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating for this time. So this is I created this tag, and I used the key charm right here, and I went ahead and put some of these what is it, the epoxy bubbles on there, and this is what they look like. So awesome to use. This is also a charm from Beebeecraft, and I will also link that down on the description below. So what do you guys think? Isn't this cute? I love this. This turned out so cute. That one, I went ahead and created that one. This one's a little bit more simple, but I went ahead and did this right here. This is the charm, and basically it is a paper clip, and I used both the key and the bow charm on here, and there you go. And the jump rings, these are the jump rings I used for my products or for my projects. I used it right here as well, and it is also hanging in here. You guys can see. So those are the jump rings right there. And then I also created this cute memory decks card, and here is my project again. And then I went ahead and used, this is where I used the beads, the glass beads, and the gold, these gold beads right here. I used them here, and the wiring is what it's holding everything together. And these are the jump rings right here, and there you go. And it's just basically a charm that whoever receives it, they could unclip it and use it in their purse or in their journals. And there you go. And then my last project that I created was this cute little bracelet Oh, isn't that cute? And I also used the beads right here. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. So, oh my goodness, that is so adorable. So anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. I will link everything down on the description below so you guys could go over, check everything out. And like I said, take advantage of those $5 off coupon for the $40 purchase and the free shipping of anything over $25. Anyways, I will link Beebeecraft down on the description below. Again, thank you Beebeecraft. You guys are amazing. Your products are beautiful. I love them. Hope we can do another one. And thank you again, everybody. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.